Greetings viewers, Landy Berkland here, and today I'm going to be doing two reviews. One is this. It's called the Slick Shine and Protectant. Multi-purpose shine and protectant. I put it on this beast, and it actually looks good. What I did was, for best results, I just sprayed it on, and I just let it sit overnight on this side here. And you could, I don't know, I like it. I definitely like it. It brings the plastics out. So this definitely gets 5 stars. I can't exactly say the same thing for, I can't, sorry, I'm in the shop, and I know I promised you guys a shop tour, but that's coming up, and I don't want to give my shop away. Sorry. That'll be in a later video, guys. I know you're anxious to see the new shop. There it kind of is. Tease you a little. This review, Slick Multi-Purpose Cleaner and Degreaser. Quickly removes tough dirt, oil, grease, and grime without corroding surfaces. Okay. In the directions it says, apply solution and agitate with a scrub brush. For best results, allow product soak 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse off and dry using a clean towel. Okay, it says rinse off and dry. Okay, now, here we have, if I could get my ribbed pliers, my ribbed blue pliers, and before anybody says, these are channel locks, the name of the pliers are ribbed. The brand name are channel locks. This, my friends, is a Wolverine 450 clutch housing. As you can see, it is still caked with grease. So what I did was, I sprayed it down, and because I didn't want to get my white scrub brush all greasy and grimy, I did it with a wire brush. You know, you can see, look at all the grease on here. Anyway, I used it, and I sprayed it down. Agitated it with the wire brush there to make sure that I was getting all the grease and stuff. Well, first let me back up. I sprayed it down, let it sit 1 to 2 minutes, took it up in my bathtub, blasted it with hot water. Nothing came off it. Maybe little tiny pebbles came off of the clutch housing. Okay, I figured I was doing something wrong. Came down, blow dried it, sprayed it down yet again. This time I agitated it with the brush, and once again, little bitty chunks came off, but nothing that really nothing that stood out. So, do I give the degreaser, what would I rate the degreaser at? I'm going to have to say 3 stars, because on the thin grease, it seemed to clear it up, but it didn't quite do what I expected it to do. I mean, it does say it works on tough grease. Tough grease. In this segment, I'm going to have to say Purple Power would have probably cleaned that right off. And I do have a bottle of Purple Power over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Purple Power and I'm going to soak it down and clean it up. So that is my review. The Shine and Protectant so far gets 5 stars. Because I mean, look at that shine. Look at that shine. It even shined my headlights. Look at that. Like the headlights there, you see? It's amazing. It's an amazing product. I mean, I've used things like WD-40 and cleaner wax on my headlights, and I mean, based on all the reviews online, I've seen that apparently the mud is hard to stick to the surface of the quad once you put that shine protectant on. So we're going out this Saturday, me and my wife. So we're gonna see. We're gonna put it to the test. So after that, I'll be back with another review on that. So 5 stars so far for the shine and protectant. 3 stars for the cleaner degreaser. More soon.